Hi guys, today I and my group member going to explain how to construct a series circuit and how to measure the resistance, current and voltage value for the series circuit. Before that, I would like to introduce my group members. My name is Navanesan, son of Purushothaman. My matrix number is 09DEE22F1026.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Alif Najmi bin Muhammad Fauzi. My matric number is 09DEE22F1112.
Hello everyone, my name is Adam Iskandar bin Zulkarnain. My matrix number is 09DE22F1017.
My name is Nusrina binti Lutif and matric number is 09DE22F1028.
Okay guys, here is the construction of series circuit and you can see the resistance connection of R1, R2, R3 in breadboard. Before we start to measure the value of resistance, we need to calculate the true value of the resistance by using resistor color code method, which is given in this picture. Before we start to measure the resistance, make sure there is no power supply for them. After that, we need to calibrate the multimeter before measuring the resistor. Okay guys, now we need to connect the probe of multimeter parallelly to the resistor to measure the resistance. From our experiment, we were able to get 1 kilo ohm for resistor 1, 3.9 kilo ohm for resistor 2, 5 kilo ohm for resistor 3. Okay guys, now let's see the voltage measurement.
To calculate the voltage, we need to find I total first. To find I total, the calculation method is voltage supply times R total. And our group gets 1 milliampere for I total. After that, it must be multiplied by the given resistor value. After that, for the calculation of VR1, the value is 1 volt, VR2 is 3.9 volt, and VR3 is 5.1 volt. The way to measure voltage is to clamp the positive leg of the supply to the leg of resistor 1. The negative from supply to the third resistor. Measure R1, R2 and R3 one by one. The measure value of R1 is 1 volt, R2 is 3.9 volt and R3 is 5.1 volt. Thank you.
Current is a stream of charged particles, such as electrons or ions, moving through an electrical conductor or space. To calculate current, we can use Ohm's law, which is I equals to V over R. To measure the current on a circuit board, we must firstly open the circuit board and using a multimeter and connect the two probes to the two open points on the circuit. The multimeter must also be set to the range that is needed for the specific current circuit to be able to measure the current.
From this assignment, students were able to calibrate the meter before measuring process. Students were able to measure voltage and current using the correct measuring equipment. Students were able to identify and calculate the existing error. Students were able to describe the correct meter, calibrating and measuring technique.